In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up old uncleared transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to locate those lingering items that never cleared your bank and safely remove true duplicates or errors so your books reconcile cleanly. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and head to the main navigation. Hover over all apps to reveal the options available to you. We're going to work inside the accounting tools because that's where reconciliation lives and where uncleared items are easiest to review against your bank activity. Next, hover over accounting. You'll see features related to your chart of accounts, the register, and reconciliation. This is the right place to identify transactions that have been sitting uncleared for months and are throwing off your reconciliations or your balances. Go ahead and click Reconcile. The Reconcile area is designed to match what's in QuickBooks to what actually cleared the bank. It's also a great spot to spot check old uncleared transactions because anything that hasn't matched to the bank won't have a check mark and will continue to carry forward. From here, select the account you want to clean up. Choose the specific bank or credit card account where you've noticed the issue. Make sure you're on the right account, especially if you manage multiple entities or cards, so that the changes you make apply to the correct ledger. When you find an old transaction in the list that truly doesn't belong, maybe a duplicate deposit or a data entry error, open it and click Edit. This lets you review the details such as the date, amount, and payee, and confirm whether it's a mistake. A quick best practice is to compare it to your actual bank statement or a bank feed download to ensure there's no legitimate match waiting. If you confirm it's an error, click More. The More menu gives you additional actions you won't see at the top of the form and is where you'll find the option to permanently remove a mistaken entry. Finally, click Delete to remove the transaction. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm. Deleting an erroneous, uncleared item cleans up the register, reduces reconciliation differences, and prevents that transaction from carrying forward month after month. Keep a brief note for your records on why it was removed, and remember to review your reconciliation again to ensure the difference has improved. If you're ever unsure, pause before deleting and check with your accounting policies or advisor. Items that are truly pending or timing differences should stay until they actually clear. That's it. You've reviewed uncleared items, verified an error, and cleaned it up, so your reconciliation and balances reflect reality.